Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Device Setup Manager Metadata a staging failed event ID number 131 error in Windows computer. So this error can be caused by outdated registry entries, which may prevent Windows from correctly retrieving or processing device informations. And then I'll show you on how to fix these issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable metadata staging. So all you have to do is to click on start menu, and then you need now to locate this or find this settings, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need now to select this settings. And then once you open up here, and the next step, then you need now to select this system and then click. And then once you open up here at system, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need now to select this about and then click. And then on right side, then next step, then you need now to select or find this advanced system settings and then click. And then pop up this system properties, and the next step, then you need now to select this hardware tab and then click. And then here at hardware tab, and the next step, then you can see this device installation settings, and then you can see this device installation settings, and then you need to click again. And then again, pop up this device installation settings. Do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons available for your device? So you need now to select this. No, your device might not work as expected. Click this no, and then click this save changes. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the SFC and DSM command. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then here you need to type the CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next step, then we need to enter and type again this command keyword. DSM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command keyword. And the next step, then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restore operations completed successfully. And then after this to command, and then we need to close the CMD. And then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.